How to buy Nero, the Nero on base token. Now, before we start, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a professional economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, as you can see, make sure to take a look on their X account and now go and find this token in CoinMarketCap. So after you find the token, just go in contracts and copy the token address. This token address is came under the base network. Now I will use just the Biscuit wallet to buy this token. Now go and now select from here the base network, as you can see. Now after that, so after you select the base network from here, now after that click on this little plus icon from here, and now paste the token address, as you can see, to be able to find the right token. So after that, click on this little plus and go to your wallet to be able to find this token. So as you can see, this is our token. Now click on swap. Now from here I will switch, and now here select the crypto that you want to buy with. For example, I will use USDT. Now make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now enter here how much you want to buy and wait a few seconds to be able to see how much you will receive. So as you can see, now after that click on swap to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy the Nero on base token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.